Jaja has the hiccups. What are you gonna do, Bubbash? You got the hiccups. What? What's that? What's that? What's that? You want me to... Ooh, you got a pee-pee diaper. Mommy's gonna change your diaper. Is that okay? Bless you. You sneezed your way forward. I know you're probably still a little hungry even though you ate all those bottles and everything. Done. Give up.
What's he trying to do?
Oh, hold on. I'm gonna change his diaper first. No, he has the hiccups. He sneezed his whole head forward. I know it's so annoying, isn't it? It's okay, see. I'm okay, Mommy. I'm just gonna pretend like nobody sees. Oh, nope, kind of noticeable. Look at you, you got such a strong head.
My gray booties, my feet
I know. Look at that, you're so cute. You're so cute. Alright, time for diaper change now. Say bye-bye, Jaja. Say bye-bye, Jaja.